If you love Baltimore sports, you'll love WNST.net.
So it's 6:55, 5 minutes before game time, and this is what downtown Baltimore looks like on game nights. One vendor across the street, you can see. A little bit of a line. 3 hot dogs for $5, 3 drinks for $5. I got my Ravens jacket under here, but I'm rocking my Free the Birds. We'll see. You need people to be upset in order to protest. If people think this is acceptable, God bless them. I'm never going to think it's acceptable. So this guy's dreamed his whole life of throwing out the first pitch at an Oriole game. This poor guy, Cedric Walker. And this is what the stadium looks like. This is literally the first pitch. Here come the pitchers out to warm up. They're going to the bullpen. It is currently 6:58 p.m. This is our experience at Oriole Park. This is what the game looks like. I just went out today. Drew, tell everybody what happened.
Nestor went out and waved to Will Omen. They're all walking across the field, and Nestor, of course, runs down and he says, "Guys, wave to the fans!" And Will Omen went, "I don't let any of these clowns in the ballpark," and he waved at us.
Koji didn't understand what I was saying and waved to me. Did he wave or did he not?
He did wave.
Coach, you are. It's respect to the Japanese player. They respect when there's 1,200 people in the ballpark. So I just called the lemonade vendor that's over here. See the lemonade guy? And these are our stands. And this guy up here was falling asleep a few minutes ago.
This is the saddest day of this man's life.
Shortstop number 3, WNST Betancourt.
And this is what the crowd looks like. That's it right there.
If you love Baltimore sports, you'll love WNST.net.